Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I finally have another box for you. Today we will be unboxing the Anthropologie George and Viv 24 Days of Beauty box for 2021. So George and Viv is the beauty and bath line at Anthropologie. And to be honest with you, I don't know if they've had advent calendars in the past. I just happened to be shopping at Anthropologie today and these are flying off the shelf, so I decided to grab one. So this box was 78 US dollars. I don't know if you become an Anthropologie member and get that $15 coupon if it would apply to this. I thought this was a very cute calendar. The value is supposed to be over $275 and they're all premium or deluxe sample sizes. So taking a look at this box, this artwork is done by a Canadian artist named Emily Taylor and it opens like a book. So we'll go ahead and open it up. And we have all these cute little boxes. So we'll start with box one. And immediately upon opening this box, it smells so good. So our first item up is from Recovery Mode. And they're soothing eye pads. It looks like you can put these in the fridge. And they're gel filled. And they're so cute for winter. They've got little snowflake confetti in them and they'd be nice and cool on your eyes. That was day number one. Okay, box number two, and all these boxes are so cute. For example, this one's got gingerbread men on them. It says milk and cookies. And I did take a look at the back of this box that has all the products listed, and there are some pretty good brand names in this box. So next up we have from Lana Lips. This is a 101 ointment. It's a multi-balm in the scent watermelon. And it smells really good. But to be honest, there's not a whole lot in the tube. I'm already pushing it in halfway and nothing's coming out so far. And still nothing. So I don't think there's a whole lot in there. But it does smell really good. Okay, next up, day three. It's on the side here. Luckily, these are nice and easy to open. I've opened some other advent calendars that are very hard to open, or you have to rip open the cute little boxes to get to the product. Next up, we have a nail polish from Butter London. And this does look like it's about half the size of their normal nail polish. And this one is in the color Knees Up. It's a nice Christmassy red. So I do like that these boxes are sticking with the Christmas theme and not just doing things that may be left over from the regular season. Next up in box four, we have a small tube here from Fur. This is an all-over body wash. This looks like a good travel shower gel. And it doesn't have much of a scent to it, but again, good to stick in your luggage to travel with. Next up, we have box five. Okay, and this is from Sunday Riley. I really like Sunday Riley skin care products. This is a high-dose retinoid serum. And actually, this for skincare, this is not a bad size sample, and this comes in a pump bottle. But again, I'm pumping this multiple times, nothing's coming out. So it seems like all their products are empty. So I'll have to play with that a little and see if I can get anything to come out. Next up, box number six. Looks like a perfume bottle. So this is from Penrose, and the scent is Secret Genius, and it comes in a nice glass bottle. And this looks like it's going to be a dabbing one. Yes. And that's a nice soft scent, very floral. Okay, next up, box seven. And I do like that this advent calendar has 24 days. A lot of advent calendars nowadays have 12 days, but are doing full-size products. So I'm okay with deluxe samples as long as there's 24 of them and that they're good products. Okay, so next up is from Youth to the People. This is a kale and green tea and spinach vitamin super cleanser. So I have actually used this before. It's a pretty good face wash. There isn't any exfoliating to it. Just pretty basic daily cleanser. And just a very clean, fresh scent. So I think this works well for most skin types since it's pretty basic. Moving on. So far, good variety of products. Some fragrance, some skincare. But moving on to box 8. These all look like little soap boxes too. They're so cute. Okay, next up, another perfume. This is Outremer. It says made in France. Ooh, and it's a bergamot scent. And this one is in a spray bottle. And I'll go ahead and spray this. It smells really good. Also very florally. A little stronger than our other perfume here. But the bottle's really cute. It's got the flowers on it, and it does look very Parisian. Okay, we got a big box here, number 9. And we have from Living Proof, the Perfect Hair Day product. So this one is the 5-in-1 styling treatment. I have not used this one. I've used their shampoo, and Living Proof products are pretty good. That one doesn't have too much of a scent to it. But again, these are all pretty good brands. Good mix of well-known names and some other lesser-known names, but still nice products. All right, day number 10. And I'm loving the background that's showing up as we're going through these boxes. It's got these little Christmas cookies. All right, number 10. It's a big box for a little product. This is from, and I never know how to pronounce this, Caudile. This is a skincare line that's a higher end skincare line. I haven't seen this product before. This is called Vino Perfect. It's a radiant serum for complexion correcting, and it's got the little medicine dropper. It's a very milky formula, so I don't know if you'd mix this with your moisturizer or put it on separate. Unfortunately, it doesn't say, so I'll have to look that one up. Box 11. I'm also glad that these boxes are kind of in order. I don't have to go searching around or playing Jenga and trying to pull out different boxes and having them all fall. All right, so I open this box. There's another box inside. So this is actually from the George and Viv line. Like I said, this is the Bath & Body Anthropologie brand. And these look like scrub cubes. Yes, exfoliating sugar cubes. So there's 3 in this box. I will caution, I've opened up sugar cube scrubs in other boxes, and I've used them, and I left a half-used one in my shower, and it was covered with ants the next day. So just beware, these are sugar cubes. Bugs will be attracted to it. So make sure you either use up the whole thing or put them in a sealed container if you don't use the whole thing. All right, moving right along. Box number 12. Okay, we got a bigger tube here. This is from, the brand is Campagne de Provence. So this looks like a hand lotion formula. Yep, made in Aix-en-Provence. Let's give it a smell. It's a very soft scent. I really like that scent. That's a nice lotion. It absorbs well. I feel like I've smelled that before. It's not sticky, absorbs well, not too thick either. So, great lotion to throw in your purse. All right, box number 13. This is tiny tube. Okay, this is from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Eye Gel. So, less upset that it's a small container since it's an eye gel. You don't need that much. I don't want to waste any, but I know Peter Thomas Roth products with the hyaluronic acid in them are pretty moisturizing. They absorb pretty well. They're pretty thin formulas. Okay, next up, 14. Okay, this is from the brand Hero, which I have not heard of, but it's got this cute matte purple packaging. And this is called Lightning Wand. It's a dark spot brightening serum. Oh, and it comes in a roller ball, which I love. You can put it on the under eye area, and it's kind of has a cooling, depuffing effect as well. I don't know why mine, I don't know if you can see, has kind of a brown goop around the roller ball. I don't know if that's the color of the product or if that's supposed to be like that. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay, next up, box number 15. Okay, so I have tried this brand before. This is from Libido. They're known for their lotions and creams. So this is a Thera Intensive Foot Cream. And I believe this is a Greek brand. Oh, Israel, sorry, made in Israel. And I know the hand lotion I've tried from them was very good. All natural lotion. And this one has myrtle and tea tree, and you can definitely smell that. It smells kind of woodsy. Okay, next up is box 16. And we have a little pot here from Christophe Robin, and I do like their hair products. This is a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. So I'm not sure if, because I thought most of Christophe Robin products are for your hair. I don't know if this is a body scrub or like a scalp scrub. Oh, okay, so it's a purifying shampoo, good for detoxing the scalp. Okay. And again, it smells very clean. You could probably get 2 or 3 scalp scrubs out of this container, so that's pretty good. All right, up next we have box 17. And we have another tub here, and this is from, and I never know how to pronounce this, Mario Badescu, and I've tried a lot of the face mists, but this is a super collagen mask. And I think I also have another sample of this that I have not tried yet. But this is the classic collagen mask. And I don't think it's a peel off mask or anything. It's just a leave on then wash off mask, but I do like their product, so I'm sure that's pretty good. Okay, next up, box 18. This is a bigger one. Okay, this is from a brand I haven't heard of. Apto or APTO skincare. And this is a pomegranate moisturizer. It says it's lightweight, revitalizing, and plumping. So this looks like an all-over body lotion. And I keep trying to smell these products, and there's always a cover over the opening, so I can't smell anything. Okay, and this one, again, has a very light scent. None of these are very overwhelming scents, but it does say on the back here that it's formulated so that it doesn't clog your pores. So if you have sensitive skin, that might be, or skin that's prone to being oily, this might be a good moisturizer for you. It actually doesn't smell much of pomegranate. All right, up next, box 19. We got a small one here. It feels very light. All right, so this is from the brand Skin, S-K-Y-N, Iceland. And this is a brightening eye serum. Anytime you get little tubes, you can assume they're eye serums. And I've tried a bunch of eye serums from these kits, and it's hard to tell if they help, if they make a difference. But I think if I kept at it and used them daily, it may do something. But again, these tubes, I'm squeezing it almost all the way. Oh, and it took that much squeezing just to get a little bit of product out. So, you know, don't know how well these are filled, but since that part squirted out, there's probably $20 worth of product. All the eye creams are very expensive. So this feels like it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's very moisturizing. It just mixed with the lotion that was on my hand, so I have no idea what that smell is. All right, up next, box number 20. We're almost there. Okay, it looks like we have a perfume bottle. And this is from Toca, Florence. And the bottle is so cute. It's a little glass bottle, and it's got this ornate design on the top. It looks like this is going to be a dab bottle as well. Yep. And that one's very florally. Smells very good. This smells more like a spring scent, spring-summer scent. So nothing very Christmassy about it, but it's a very nice scent otherwise. Okay, box number 21. Oh, got a big dropper bottle from Alpha H. And this is a vitamin B with copper tripeptide. It's an anti-aging serum. And this is a nice glass bottle as well. And I do like the droppers because you can mix it with your daily moisturizer or just drop it right onto your face too if you don't want to waste the product getting on your hands. And that almost has a minty scent to it, and it kind of looks like a mint color. But that's kind of cool. I've never heard of this brand either. All right, moving on. Box number 22. And this big box has this tiny little box inside. And this looks like it's from Winky Lux. And this looks like the pH lip gloss, which I actually have a full size of this. It's about 10 times bigger than this. So I can imagine how small this sample is going to be. Oh my gosh. So this is what was in that big box. So these pH lip glosses are supposed to change colors with the pH of your lips. And I have it. It works a little bit, I guess. It's not a huge difference. It either just changes from a little bit more red or a little lighter to a pink. But they do always smell good. They always have like a watermelon or strawberry scent. So I think this one is raspberry. So they're all fruity scents and they all smell and taste good. But very small sample. If you throw it in your purse, you're going to lose it. All right. On to box 23. Okay, we have a bottle here from Espa. This is a bath and body oil and aromatherapy. So it looks like you can put this right on your skin, I guess, or it says you can put it into your bath water. So I'm sure this is going to smell very good. Let's see. Yeah, that smells very good. So it smells like jasmine and gardenia. So be very relaxing in the bath. And I'm sure you wouldn't need too much. I think it says like a cap or two for each bath. So you can get a couple baths from that. Last but not least, box number 24. Okay, and this is a bigger bottle here from the brand Kane, and it's a bubble bath. So you can put your oils in. If you want bubbles in your oils, you can put that in there. This is a nice, maybe travel size bubble bath. And it's got argan oil in it. Try to give it a smell for you guys. I'm starting to wonder if there's something wrong with my nose because all of these are starting to smell the same. But again, a light florally scent. But looks like a good bubble bath. Okay, so that's it for the Anthropologie 24-day advent calendar. I love the box. It's really cute. I think you could reuse it again. Put all these products in there. And even the boxes, since they were easy to open, you could reuse these. These would be great for little stocking stuffer boxes. So was this box worth $78? I think it depends. If I think this would be a good gift to give someone to try different products. Is this worth over $275? I have a hard time believing that because, again, these are all deluxe sample sizes. There were no full sizes. So, like most of my other advent calendar unboxings, a good gift or a nice treat for yourself. But since it's a wide variety of brands, it's hard to know. If you're buying an advent calendar from a store itself that you, for example, like the Body Shop or Lush, where you know you're getting all the same brand products and you really like that brand, it might be more worth it. But this is just more of a fun way to treat yourself or give a nice gift. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I just wanted to shout out to Melissa and Greg. This video is for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!